Meadow Lane is a weekend retreat set in an idyllic landscape on the shores of Lake Michigan. The owners, a retired couple, see it as an escape from the city to bring the family together, a place for sunshine, a place to breathe. The design and orientation of the home were planned to optimize the unique features of the 2-acre wooded bluff overlooking the lake. Three separate structures, the main house, an entertainment guest wing, and a detached garage, were carefully arranged to maximize privacy, optimize natural light, capture the views, and create outdoor spaces. Their staggered construction increases linear exposure to glass and provides corner views of the ever-changing panorama. Natural materials define the architectural palette and are used to create a timeless, enduring connection to the surroundings. Chosen for its durability, Croatian limestone serves as a unifying element, beginning at the home's entry. The kitchen and living room offer expansive views of the surroundings, with floor-to-ceiling glass walls meeting at a mitered corner. A discreetly designed suspended fireplace allows the eye to move seamlessly to the landscape. Floor-to-ceiling glass openings and mitered glass corners allow sunlight to flood every room, immersing the residents in nature. Contemporary furnishings and wooden cabinetry add warmth and comfort to this urban escape. To the south, a forest reserve borders the property, offering panoramic views that unite the lake's blue horizon with the dense woodland understory. On the ground level, a Croatian limestone wall wraps around the exterior, continuing through the home underfoot and out to the pool terrace. The upstairs primary bedroom at the back of the house offers additional views, including a planted green roof over the garage. The ground level of the entertainment wing and garage is clad in dark Acacia wood slats, echoing the forest's vertical elements. The upper levels are wrapped in lighter-colored black locust boards, which will naturally weather to a silvery gray over time. They hover above a band of clear-story windows that provide natural light and privacy around the courtyard. The walls of the detached garage help form a contemplative garden courtyard at the entrance, oriented inward. On the opposite side of the garage, the narrow glass corridor connects the two living structures, creating an opening from the courtyard to the expansive views beyond. In this place, the owners arrive and take a deep breath. This is their sanctuary, the place where they are restored.